Hey guys, it's Molly with Design Loves Detail, and today I'm talking summer hosting. We've got our backyard all finished up, and I can't wait to show you my amazing Walmart finds. I teamed up with Walmart to share some of my very favorite finds from their summer collections that I think you guys are gonna love. And you can shop the links as always in the description. They have seriously the cutest stuff this year, you guys. So this collection comes in a few different like colors and patterns. And this was my favorite. It's kind of like a turquoise and green, and then that yellow, which ties in so cute with the lemons here. I love this set. So of course we started like this whole place setting. I'll kind of walk you through. So you can grab all these pieces because they're so affordable and it's just perfect for outdoor entertaining. We try to do glass with everything that we eat, but for the outdoor, we've had with the pool here and stuff, and we have kids, glass is just too risky to have outside. So this melamine has been great. And I just want to show you kind of how this all came together. So these placemats are actually really cool because they are a texture, like a seagrass woven detail with kind of a scallop edge, which I think is just so fun and gives us that bottom layer for kind of a natural woven feel. And then we have the really cute dinner plate. Of course, that one on next. And I like that each of these plates and bowls, they all have a little bit different pattern of the same, feel. So really, really fun. Summer vibes, but then it's still kind of like subtle, like the colors aren't too loud. They kind of fit with what we have, and the color of the pool, which I love, kind of gives us a little Mediterranean vibe, and I love Mediterranean. So that's kind of what I was working with for this. And then really fun for the centerpiece. I love to do something just kind of fresh and fun. And a lot of times you can do maybe something that you're serving. For now, I just put these lemons in because of course I was kind of styling it, but I think they give that cute, fun punch of color that ties in with the little yellow floral of the dinnerware. And this tray, I love something long like this, like I said, for serving or for kind of a centerpiece because it's substantial. And that's just like an acacia wood from Walmart. So another Walmart find there. Just the cute Walmart cutting board. And I went with just really simple on the cups. I didn't put those around yet, but these are like an acrylic with a little wave pattern, so that it's just kind of, I kept that more simple because I had a little more pattern in the dinnerware. I don't like them to be competing with each other, so that kind of worked well together. And you'll see that I just did our disposable wood dinnerware to give us, again, that kind of a natural element mixed in with all the fun colors. They also have some of the larger serving pieces that I'll show you. I've used a few throughout our yard, and they've been really handy and functional for like your chips and salsas and just like potato salad, all the typical barbecue things. I love too how they're more of a matte finish on this outside. You can see this kind of textured green on the outside, and then of course the inside matches. And this was such a good size bowl. I love when they're big like that because when you're going to serve for like a family gathering or barbecue, you do want something more substantial. So they did a really good job with those pieces. Oh, and actually while we're over here, these chairs, I have had these for years, and they are also from Walmart. So just to really, we'll pull one out. Let me just kind of show you the details on these. And they look great. Like seriously, I think we've had them almost 4 or 5 years, something like that. And they're just neutral, but they have a really pretty pattern. They come in a set of 2, easy to move around, but still have a really pretty detail, as you'll see kind of on that side there. So definitely a winner, highly recommend. All right, so let's come on this side because this is one of the things I just ordered, and it's from this year. I think it's brand new this year at Walmart. Look at this cute floral pattern rug. It kind of has that hand block look that I love. I get this in like pillows and a lot of rugs because it's kind of like the the Indian hand block fabrics. I talk about them a lot just because they're really cool and they have kind of a natural feel to them. But then we get some pattern, and it's like a subtle neutral pattern. This is like the 5x8, and then I think they have a couple other sizes as well. And it has sold out periodically. So if it's in stock, grab that one. It's definitely a winner, and it just made this side of kind of patio its own space. I kind of like defining the little areas. Like we have our dining space, and then over here is just kind of the fun little loungy area with the swings. This is another piece that I believe is new this year at Walmart. It's got the wood lid, kind of a rib detail, and then I like that it had the brass spout. I thought that made it more fun and cute. So let me show you a few more other details that I've added throughout the yard from Walmart. You guys might remember, if you saw our last video, this cool area here, this fire pit section that we created with Walmart products. The Adirondack chairs, a little more modern take. Those are on sale, so don't miss them while they're on sale. And then I love the planters, of course, too. Again, Walmart. And the latest addition, you wouldn't have seen this if you saw last video because we just added these cafe lights above me. And I feel like they just make it so magical, especially in the evening. We had a little party back here for our kids, and it was kind of like a carnival theme, and those made it just feel so kind of enchanted and fun. So they're a great addition, I feel like, to any space. And you can really just get everything you need for your backyard, including the furniture, from Walmart. So definitely check out those links in description so you can shop everything there. We recently got new cushions for our loungers because the old ones got trashed. So luckily Ben was able to find some. And then I added just these really cute, you can see more of these serving pieces like I was talking about. Like this one I love because you have all different compartments. And again, it ties in with the whole dinnerware set. Just a small little split tray there. Great for like when you're snacking and lounging. I definitely feel like the best pool experience also involves food. I always want nachos by the pool. That's when you're living your best life. And then we've got this cute little egg chair here. And again, over here, another little serving tray. They have so many pieces in this collection that I like literally just bought them all because I know we use them. So I'll be rummaging for cute bowls. I'm like, please say I have a couple cute bowls and not just the weird ones that have been there since we got married. And so now it's just the whole set, and it's so easy and so affordable. So definitely love those. Again, I'll link everything for you. You can see the oleanders are in bloom now behind me. On that last video, I was wishing they were, and now they're here. So you can see how pretty those look. I just love, I love that feeling. It's my favorite time in our backyard. Even though it's getting hot, summer is here. It's just such a beautiful time. So hope you guys are getting excited for that summer hosting, and that these ideas from Walmart will help you out, make your life a little bit easier and a little more fun and beautiful. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time, hopefully with our tour of the inside of the pool house that we built. It's gonna be fun.